Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to the Daniel Fast recipe series. As we all know, the Daniel Fast has a lot of benefits, from spiritual to physical to health benefits. And amidst the numerous benefits, the Daniel Fast help to break sugar addiction, and it help to cut down carb intake, which is one reason I think we should all try to incorporate one or two of these recipes into our diet. So I hope you enjoy the series. The first I will be introducing to you is the cauliflower rice. Trust me, this is one you are going to love, especially if you are planning to cut down on your carb intake. And if you don't want to miss out too much on rice, this is a good option. And this is actually easy to make. All you need is just your cauliflower and a boss grater. And you can actually buy in the grocery stores, but I would advise making them because you have more than the packaged ones being sold. And to make it, you make use of the larger hole in the boss grater. And once you are done, all you have to do is just pour them in a freezer bag and freeze. So in this video, I will be showing you two cauliflower rice recipe, and I will be making use of my homemade cauliflower rice and one I bought in the grocery store. The first one is the fried cauliflower rice, and for this I'll be using the cauliflower rice together with a couple of vegetables, which I'm going to write on the screen for you. And all through this series, I'm going to be limiting my spice to just chili powder, black pepper, ginger, garlic, and salt. Like I mentioned earlier, this is easy to make. All you have to do is fry your cauliflower rice first and add in all your vegetables along with your spice, and boom, your meal is ready. Not only does the food look enticing, but it also has a nice smell. And the next recipe I would be sharing with you is the cauliflower rice with roasted vegetables. And my vegetables include zucchini, carrots, the green, red, and yellow bell pepper, and some broccoli. Feel free to cut your vegetables into any shape you desire. This should be according to your preference. And once all my vegetables are ready, I would be cutting with some oil and adding in my spices. And I'm going to make sure everything is evenly mixed together. Once this is ready, spread evenly on a grease pan and place in a preheated oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. While the vegetable is in the oven, we can move on to preparing the cauliflower rice. Mind you, the cauliflower rice can also be placed in the microwave for 3 minutes, but it tastes better and nicer when fried. And for this, I will be making use of the cauliflower rice I bought from the grocery store. As you can see here, this is how it looks like, and it's written in German. Mind you, it might have a different name based on where you are. And from the look here, our vegetable look done already. And that is it, guys. on my Daniel fast cauliflower rice recipe. I hope you do enjoy the video and you would give this a try.